What if you could wake up every day and choose what you want to do without worrying about money? That's financial freedom. It isn't about being a millionaire. It's about owning your life. Think about Sarah, trapped by student loans and credit card bills, her paycheck gone before it even arrives. Sound familiar? Let's break that cycle. First, attack your debt. List everything you owe and start by paying off the one with the highest interest rate. Every extra dollar you put toward it is a step toward freedom. Next, create a simple budget. Don't think of it as a cage. Think of it as a map. Track your spending for 1 month to see where your money truly goes. You'll be surprised. Then, build your safety net and emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This turns unexpected car trouble from a disaster into just an inconvenience. Finally, make your money work for you. Start investing even small amounts. Thanks to compound interest, a little bit invested consistently can grow into a significant nest egg over time. Start today, and your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.